As the demand for cars continues to increase, automotive manufacturers are constantly seeking innovative ways to improve production efficiency and reduce costs. One solution that has gained traction in recent years is the use of robotics in car production. Robots offer several benefits, including increased productivity, improved quality control, and enhanced safety for workers. However, there are also challenges associated with integrating robotics into car production, such as high initial costs, the need for specialized programming and maintenance, and the potential for job displacement. In this 6,000-word-long YouTube video, we will explore the benefits and challenges of using robotics in car production. We will begin by discussing the current state of the automotive industry and the increasing demand for cars. We will then explore the different types of robots used in car production, such as welding robots, painting robots, and assembly robots, and how they're integrated into the manufacturing process. We will also discuss the benefits of using robots in car production, such as increased production speed and efficiency, improved product quality and consistency, and reduced labor costs. We will provide real-world examples of successful implementations of robotics in car production, including the use of collaborative robots, cobots, to work alongside human workers. However, we will also address the challenges of using robots in car production, including the high initial costs of purchasing and programming robots, the need for specialized maintenance and repairs, and the potential for job displacement as robots take over tasks traditionally performed by humans. We will explore how these challenges can be mitigated through strategic planning and investment in worker training and education. We will also examine the role of artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning in enhancing the capabilities of robots in car production, such as predictive maintenance and autonomous decision-making. We will discuss the ethical implications of using robots in car production, including concerns about data privacy and security. Overall, this YouTube video will provide a comprehensive overview of the benefits and challenges of using robotics in car production. It will provide insights into how robotics is transforming the automotive industry and what the future of car production might look like. We invite you to subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay up to date with the latest developments in robotics and automation.